Whether you aim to sell products online, publish articles, or promote your goods and services, Google Sites is here to make that process more accessible. If you just launched your first Google site, but it doesn't look as good as expected, you may be overlooking some essential techniques. This video will reveal simple hidden tricks to make your website better than ever before and turn you into a pro. This video is proudly sponsored by Workerty, the leading online marketplace for businesses. As a cutting-edge global classified ads site, Workerty offers businesses a comprehensive platform to create impactful advertising campaigns and forge connections with potential customers, all at no cost. In one of the upcoming videos, I will show you the entire process of how you can combine Workerty and Google Sites to make money online. In the meantime, join Workerty today and unlock endless possibilities for growth and success. Find the link in the description. The number one tip that you might not know as a beginner is the template gallery. When starting out as a beginner, a crucial tip often missed is using the template gallery feature on Google Sites. Instead of beginning with a blank page, you can choose from a wide range of ready-made templates tailored to your needs. Among the varied industry templates on Google Sites are options for dog walking services, Christmas events, and photo portfolios, offering a solid foundation for establishing your business's online presence with customizable features. To find these templates, click Template Gallery on the web page, where you'll discover a range of categories. The personal template caters to individual goals, like creating a fitness site with workout schedules. Users will find templates for events and projects to boost workplace productivity in the Work Template section. The small business category offers templates for professional websites, ideal for industries like restaurants or salons. The educational templates cover portfolios and clubs for students and educators, aiding in showcasing academic achievements. Take the opportunity to explore and test out various gallery templates to identify the ones that best suit your unique style and brand. It's like picking out the perfect outfit for your site. Play around with these templates and find the one that screams, "This is so me." But wait, suppose the templates in the template gallery don't align with your preferences. In that case, you can access free Google Site templates from platforms like Sitol or Steagle. Tip number 2. Add a non-YouTube video to your Google site. While YouTube offers a vast library of videos, there might be times, especially in educational settings, where privacy is a concern. You might have videos you don't want publicly available, or perhaps they're not even on YouTube. Google Sites allows you to embed videos directly from your Google Drive, providing a secure and controlled way to share them on your website. To add your video, 1. Ensure the video you want to share is stored in your Google Drive. 2. Within your Google site, navigate where you want to insert the video. Click on the Insert menu. 3. From the drop-down menu, choose From Drive. 4. A window will appear displaying your Google Drive content. Locate the video you want to embed and select it. 5. Once you've selected the video, it will be embedded into your Google site. And here is an important step. After publishing your site, testing the video's visibility is crucial. 6. Open your site in an incognito or private browser window to simulate a visitor's experience. This ensures everyone with access to your site can see the video. 7. Once you've confirmed the video is visible, add more videos to your Google site. Now, visitors can access your non-YouTube video directly from your site, all within a secure and controlled environment. Tip number 3. Utilize the Google Sites navigation features. Have you ever visited a website where you feel frustrated because you cannot locate the information you want? This experience is quite common, leading users to abandon their search often. Whether your website caters to colleagues, learners, or the broader community, it's important not to complicate things for them by concealing essential pages. You see, all websites are typically divided into 4 key sections: the navigation bar, header, main body content, and footer. The navigation bar is the first element visible on Google Sites, and it can be accessed by clicking the gear icon. By selecting the gear icon, you can set the navigation bar to display either at the top or side. On mobile devices, the navigation bar will always show as a sidebar. Under the settings, you can customize brand images. This is where you can upload your logo and favicon, like customizing your profile picture. The view mode. It's like choosing between hanging a picture on the wall or placing it on a side table. On mobile, the side option is automatically selected due to limited space. The viewer tools. It's like turning on or off certain buttons or features for your audience, such as showing or hiding the info button and anchor links. The analytics. It's like enabling a feature to track and analyze your website's performance, connecting to Google Analytics. And the announcement banner. The announcement banner is similar to setting up a digital billboard at the top of your site with a message, label, and link for your visitors. Tip number 4. Customize header and footer. While the main body content is crucial, the header and footer play significant roles in an individual's experience on a website. Enhancing the design and functionality of the header and footer can leave a lasting impact on users. To customize the header, 1. Hover over the header area below the top navigation bar to access customization options. 2. Options available include Change Image, Reset, Header Type, Remove Readability Adjustment, and Anchor Image. You can spruce up the background of your header by uploading images from different sources using the Change Image option. You can always return to your header's original state if necessary by pressing the Reset option. With the header type, you can choose from various cover and small banner backgrounds or opt for the title-only display. Additional header adjustments like background colors, text readability adjustments, and image anchoring can be made for a better visual impact. A good tip is to use solid colors for the header background if no image is necessary. You can search for colors on Google for quick options. You should note that there isn't a one-size-fits-all rule regarding the header size and page header background image dimensions. It's best to upload the highest quality image you have available. While often overlooked, footers are crucial elements in website design. Footers serve as visitors' final impression and can highlight essential information like contact details, copyright notices, social icons, etc. They offer a navigation aid, leading visitors to other parts of the site and boosting user engagement. Effective footer design can enhance site usability and user experience. To add a footer on your site, 1. Scroll to the bottom of any page on your site. 2. Click on the plus Add Footer button. This action will prompt a text box to appear. 3. Enter the text you desire to be shown in the footer into the text box. 4. Save the changes. Your footer, containing the text you inserted along with any links, images, or embeds, will now be visible at the bottom of every page on your website. 5. If you need to edit the footer, hover over the footer section until the Edit Footer button appears. Click on it to make any necessary adjustments. Enhance your footer by organizing menu links in a text box layout with bullet points for clear navigation. Tip number 5. Add a social link to your Google site. To add a social link, locate and click the Insert Social Links option on the right to add social links. 1. For each social link, input a URL or email address. 2. Optionally, you can upload a custom icon image for each social link. 3. Click the Insert button to save your social link settings. 4. If you need to make changes to the social links, click on the social link icons to edit them. Google Sites allows you to add up to 10 social links, so you can also use one of them to direct users to your profile page on Workerty. This excellent classified ads platform gives businesses all they need to make eye-catching ads and connect with potential customers for free. Don't wait. Hop on board with Workerty today and shake up your online advertising game. Another tip is that you can add a map on your Google site. To showcase a specific physical location on your website, you have the option to seamlessly integrate a Google map directly onto your Google site. By doing so, visitors can conveniently pinpoint your location and access directions with ease. To include a Google map, 1. Go to the location on Google Maps you wish to feature. 2. Click on the Share button within Google Maps. 3. Select Embed Map from the sharing options. 4. Copy the provided code for embedding the map. 5. Paste the copied code onto your Google site where you want the map to be displayed. 6. Your Google map showcasing the location will now be visible on the page for visitors to easily access and navigate. Tip number 7. The Carousel Tool. You've probably seen those snazzy sliding images on your competitor's website that make you envious. But fear not. Google Sites swoops in to save the day with its trusty sidekick, the Carousel Tool. The Carousel Tool on Google Sites is like having a fancy digital photo album for your website. It's a cool feature that lets you show multiple images in a fun slideshow style. It's like giving your visitors a little interactive tour of what you have to offer. So, whether you're flaunting your latest products, featuring your best work, or want to add some pizzazz to your site, this tool is your go-to for making things pop and keeping your visitors entertained. To use the Carousel Tool: 1. Access your Google site and navigate to the page where you want to add the carousel. 2. Click on the Edit button to enter the editing mode. 3. Locate the Insert option in the toolbar at the top of the page. 4. Choose Carousel from the list of available insert options. 5. Upload or select the images you want to include in the carousel. 6. Customize the settings, such as transition effects, navigation buttons, and autoplay options. 7. Arrange the order of the images within the carousel. 8. Save your changes and preview the carousel on your Google site to ensure it looks as intended. 9. Publish your site to make the carousel visible to visitors. Tip number 8. Add a Google form to your Google site. Ever had that itch to chat with your website guests or get their opinion through surveys or feedback? Google Forms got you. Google Forms are like digital questionnaires that you can create for free using Google. They help you gather information from people through online surveys, feedback forms, registrations, or any data collection you need for your website or projects. Picture Google Forms as your own personal digital detective. To get started, open your browser and enter forms.google.com. 1. Create a new form or quiz. 2. Customize your form by adding, editing, or formatting text, images, or videos to make it engaging and informative. 3. Copy the link to your Google form. Then, 4. Open the new Google Sites dashboard. 5. Go to the Insert tab. 6. Click on the Embed option. 7. Choose the Embed Paste tab. 8. Paste the link to your Google Forms. 9. Click the Insert button to add the form to your website. Effectively direct your visitors through your website, emphasize essential pages, and ensure easy access to information. Additionally, consider using straightforward and descriptive labels for menu items to avoid confusion and make navigation effortless for users. Whether you're a small business owner, a student working on a project, or someone who wants to create a stunning website effortlessly, these hacks are tailor-made for you. Are you ready to level up your website game in 2024 and make money online? Workerty is also an ideal platform for promoting affiliate marketing products and programs, providing additional revenue generation opportunities. Join Workerty today and revolutionize your online advertising strategy. Click the link in the description to start posting free ads. Like, share, subscribe, and watch the next video.